Renting out commercial property involves strategic planning and effective marketing to attract suitable tenants. Here's a concise guide. Understand market conditions. Research current market conditions to determine a competitive rental rate for your commercial property. Consider factors like location, size, and amenities. Prepare the property. Ensure the commercial space is in good condition. Address any necessary repairs, make the property visually appealing, and highlight its key features. Create a detailed listing. Craft a compelling online listing with clear photos, detailed property information, and specifications. Utilize commercial real estate websites, local listings, and social media platforms for exposure. Target the right audience. Identify the target audience for your commercial property. Tailor your marketing efforts to attract businesses that align with the property's purpose and location. Networking. Leverage your professional network and local business associations to spread the word about the available space. Attend industry events to connect with potential tenants. Use real estate professionals. Consider engaging commercial real estate agents or brokers who specialize in your property type. They can help market the property and connect with potential tenants. Screen potential tenants. Screen prospective tenants thoroughly. Evaluate their business plans, financial stability, and rental history to ensure a good fit for your property. Negotiate lease terms. Engage in negotiations with potential tenants regarding lease terms, rental rates, and other conditions. Ensure clarity on responsibilities for maintenance and utilities. Draft a comprehensive lease agreement. Work with legal professionals to draft a comprehensive lease agreement. Clearly outline terms, conditions, and responsibilities of both parties. Maintain regular communication. Maintain open communication with tenants throughout the lease period. Address concerns promptly and conduct periodic property inspections.